searched how to buy shares of Care Property Invest NV, a company focused on healthcare and senior living real estate that trades on Euronext under the ticker CPINV.BR. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CPINV.BR to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Care Property Invest NV to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Care Property Invest NV. Verify the Euronext listing and the CPINV.BR ticker before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in the portfolio view after the trade is processed. See the link in the description for the broker mentioned.